All right, gang, what it do, what it do? We need a haircut in this motherfucker, but as you guys see, and all the posts on my Insta, we're doing the Jetski / tubing video. We're about to go meet up with the rest of the guys, but only some of us fit in here, so yeah. You guys ready? Syed, you ready? How you feel? Hey, how you feel? How you feel?
It's hot as fuck. Wonderful.
Yeah, we feel wonderful. But yeah, guys, we're about to start. We're about to hit the road right now, brother. We're about to drink all this. All right, guys, we're about to hit the road, and we'll be right back. Hello. All right, guys, we're almost to the spot. We're about to hit Lake Sonoma. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Smack the water hella hard.
We're about to come out with a concussion. But yeah, guys, hold on, let me put on the shades, cause here, you record, cause people don't like when the boy drives and records, you know. Yeah. Safe to think.
Peep the view though.
We in the 5-speed right here. Look, little downshift.
Yep. And that's how the engine went out.
And look, show the Jetski on the back. We hitting 100 something on curves and shit, boy. We got ground. Really dangerous right now. And I ain't gotta say too much, just know. We really like that, bro. Alright, guys, we just got here. We're about to go pay the parking and stuff. Shh. Let us know, guys, that we should take off the flames off my dad's truck. We're about to go pay this. This is the fit of the day for today. How I look good? Yeah. I look good? What about Saeed?
Saucy.
Shit, saucy boy. Guys, there's a CA06 somewhere over here. Let me see if I can record it for you guys. Saeed said that he just bought it off the guy too. Where is it? Where is it? I think it's right here. Yeah, check this out, guys. Yeah, this thing's clean. Damn. Okay, my fault, G. Alright, guys. We just got a ticket for the parking and stuff in the boat launch. What'd you get?
I put you on.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. But yeah, guys, we're about to put this on the dash. I'm about to go launch this shit right now.
I got a fire, bro. Hella
Oh, take it.
Somebody smell like shit! Somebody smell like shit!
Oh my god. Sorry, what'd you think about, bro?
That's insane. I forgot.
Yeah, my lips are hella dry.
Chat.
And the
flip.
Hey.
Chat, let's do a backflip. Oh shit. Chat, let's do a backflip.
Damn. I could probably do it. After what I'm capable of seeing yesterday, I think I could do a backflip, bro.
Just clip in that part right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip it right here. You guys tell me 1 out of 10 how good I did.
Oh yeah.
Wait, where's the rope?
Oh yeah.
Where's the rope?
On top of the jet ski over there. Oh yeah. I don't know what the fuck they wanted me to do. He just told me to start recording.
Yep, this
What the fuck am I supposed to do?
Come. Chat, come. Chat. Chicka chat. Look, this was gonna save us us from blowing.
Somebody smells like shit.
Somebody smell like shit!
Look who pulled up though. Sky thing.
Chat.
Beautiful.
Chat.
Yeah, I got my son with me.
Yo. Hey, who's gonna get on the 2 first? Alright. I bet. Almost there. You see it? We just put on the bulletproof vest. How you feel?
Shit, Dobbs can slide on this now.
Yeah.
Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke with me? Who won't smoke?
Yeah, and we wouldn't even. Don't be scared,
I
fool.
wouldn't even feel it for real.
We wouldn't, bro.
Hey, where'd you pay for that?
You know, you guys go pay it. we'll start unloading it.
What's up, y'all? We're just waiting at the loading zone.
Just parked up the truck. We already unloaded the Jetski. We're about to just wrap the. We're about to just tie the noodle to the tube in the Jetski, and then we're off. We're off to sea, gang.
Hey.
I'm about to. Hey, throw yourself.
Hey, hurry up. Wait up.
I know. Hold on. You too, fool.
Grab one.
What's up with y'all bringing your fucking sneakers? Like we're about to go ball.
Hey, we don't got share here.
Whoa! Your net game is crazy.
Wait.
What the fuck? Didn't he take them off already?
Oh my, bro. Put him on. Hey,
How many pairs of shoes is this for Brad? So he just took them off.
hey, watch out, man. He likes it in there. All right, let's go.
Alright. Hey, don't lean too much. Don't lean. Hey, stop leaning. Alright, hold on, gang. We'll get back to it when we get to the spot, cause I don't trust Brad. Hey, we'll let them know what's about to go on. Hey, we're about to start. Record me. Yo, we're about to start right now. Gio and Charlie are going first. I'm about to take them on the ride.
Yeah, I'm taking my son on his first ride.
We're a little faded, but whatever.
Yeah.
Hey, watch the call. That's what you gotta take. What's up with that?
Hey, hurry up, push him off.
Hey.
Y'all, this my POV right here, bro. This is Geo phase, and we're about to go through the fucking, what's this shit called? The tubing. Oh shit, brother! Again. Hey, this is a punch in the camera. Hey, what's up? Oh, shit. Yeah. One of them is. Oh, shit.
I'll bring the thing closer to you.
What?
I bet. Wow, this body weight on you.
Y'all, if y'all didn't know, I used to swim for the Olympics. But I'm hella tired now.
Oh. You gotta go to the left, the blue left at the
Right here?
left.
Where?
Right
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Ah!
Low key left hand.
Ah, fuck!
He's wrapped.
Oh shit! I'm gonna get this sick ass POV. This sick ass POV of us seeing shit!
Wait, hey, give me some space.
Oh, man.
Oh,
shit.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, Jetski.
Oh, shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh shit. Oh. Why am I
Yeah? Okay. Fuck! Well, what the fuck? Oh, yeah? How was it? 3 people don't fit on this? I don't know. I don't even think we should try. That's all 3 of us. Just no. Let's try. Hey, bro, I'm falling off. Yeah, bro. Hey, you record you. Nice. Anything. Oh, shit. Wait, watch out! Get the middle. I'm in the middle. Wait. Is it 0.5? Wait, no. Bro, I'm not even holding on to anything, bro. I'm so uncomfortable, bro. Yeah, let's not do this again. Oh, I'm not even going falling off. Oh, yeah, get you. What the fuck? I can't grab one, right? Oh, shit. Bro, I'm on the edge. There's nothing to grab to, bro. Backflip! They got you. I gotta be on you. Yeah, go. Oh shit. Hey bro, what do I grab onto? Oh shit. Let me grab onto something. I can't grab onto shit. Hold on. Oh. You guys are all gonna go on me. Oh. I'm grabbing on that one. Let go of me. Let go of my fucking arm on me. Alright, look, interlock though, interlock. Oh, come on. Oh, I only have one arm, I can't interlock with shit. How do you think I felt, bro? I was doing the same thing. Oh, I'm not grabbing onto. Ah! Yeah! Party rocking. Go! Damn, boy! Dude, what place that fool? What? Let's get. Alright, hop on that motherfucker. Hey, let me get in the middle.
You gotta give him that hawk too and spit on that thing. You get me?
That's rad. Hey, my balls are fucking clap, boy.
What did he say?
That boy's a kick back. Record me. Look, I'm one arm.
Hold on!
What's up with this? Hey, bro. Hey, there's a boat coming right now. Oh, hey! Hurry up! At least they saw us, because that boat was heading right for us, bro. Oh, those motherfuckers could have killed us. Hey, I'm taking up the life vest and going under the water. Fuck that, bro. Woo! Fuck! Damn, big ass waves! Oh, you can't get up, you little fat boy? Hey. You can't get up, you little fat boy? Hold on, hey, help me, bitch! What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh, get up yourself! You can't get up, you little fat boy? I can't, bro. Shake that, hey, shake that. Shake that. Watch out, move. Oh, hot two ass fool! I need a piss, bro. Hey, wait, I'm falling. Don't piss right now. He's already falling on us! Hey, let go of my leg! Fuck you! Fuck you!
In the arms of
I need a haircut, bro. How look? Me too. How look? Like a deep guy. Oh shit, Aquaman! Huh? Hey, what's up with this fool? Hey, go! Hey, you gotta go on the side, man. Yeah. Hey, I'm falling off, bro. Hey, watch the fuck out! Fool, I'm gonna fly off, bro. I'm cooked. I'm gonna be the first one for you. Hey, Saeed! Put it up higher! Higher! You got a big ass head! Oh, I'm gonna go flying, bro. I already feel like I'm gonna go flying. Well, keep holding. Keep second. Mira. Damn, bro, almost ate it. Let's drop two heads off. Hey, what's up with the sucker? He tried to let go. He tried to open me up, bro, and I fucking yanked him off with me. Hey guys, after this, I think we might go back to my house and make a little cookout. So we're still gonna be here, but just stay tuned. Woo! Javi took them both. Look at it, damn! Huh? Someone flew off. Damn, suckers. And I got mocos. They smell like shit. Somebody smell like what? Huh? There's a rattlesnake! A rattlesnake! Go back! Whoa, let's get the content! Hurry up! Hey, record it! Get up and record it! Nah! Hey, Charlie, here! I'm gonna go somewhere else, bro. Just come more out. Nah, fuck that. Leave him. Hey, grab the pup. Grab the pup. You can. That's main character. Hey, bro, that's his hand. For real? Hey, fuck that. Hey, watch out, fool. Hey, get me off the land. Fuck that. Hey guys, let us know in the comments down below if we should come back right here and camp. We'll do it. I think it was only like $5 a night, bro, or 10. Oh, really? Yeah, for your little section.
Let us know. We'll come back and camp. We'll bring out something crazy and we'll camp out the weekend. And we'll have the jet ski out here and everything, huh? Damn. Whoa, these was hella flip the thing. They ripped the key. Well, you're lucky the plastic thing didn't fly off. But now we're fucked because if someone flies off it that's driving, this shit ain't stopping. This one didn't realize that it was still on until it started driving off on it. I got so scared, bro. Let me see it. Let me see the red piece. Nah, bro, we can sue them for that. That shit ripped off. What the fuck up? No one told you to have 5 heads on the fucking thing. I told you to get on that one. They said, nah. Hold on, let me try to fix this, chat. Chat though, for real. W or L on our pick right here. What's up, my favorite suckers? Damn. Hey, this one got smacked in the fucking leg. It's my chin. How you feeling?
Like the sucker's gonna make us fucking fall.
Go!
Try to stand up.
Esta la cabaña. I don't know how my hair is, but we lost the flag. What else do we lose? We lost bro's earring.
We lose glasses.
Jill's glasses.
Let's go!
What?
You can make it swim,
Something in my ass. There's a jet of backflip. Hey. What's up with Brooke driving on? Huh? What's up with Brooke driving on?
Hold it, bro.
Oh, you're getting on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh!
There's blanket on
Alright guys, we just loaded up the jet ski. I don't know what we're about to do after this, but this is where we're gonna end the game. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you guys want to see next. Let us know, we should go do a camping video.
Fuck you, bitch, you in the back. I call shotgun. He doesn't want to go in the back, bro.
Hey, take it to the back, On some splash.
Stop cussing. My mom said